Yeah. Baby cakes, you just don't know how I like a download, no.
Hey guys, it's Kelly. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a kind of trying out or first impressions review kind of thing. So what I'm going to be reviewing is the Flormar Roll and Go liner. Excuse my nails, gross. So that's what it looks like here. There's like sticky stuff because there's a sticker on it. But basically, it is an eyeliner. Instead of having an applicator brush, it has an applicator wheel. So basically, roll and go because you roll it on your eyes. So basically, what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you, well, I'm going to try and test it out for the first time. I've never used it. I'm going to show you how it works and kind of if it's easy, see what I think. And then I'm going to wear it for the rest of the day and kind of see how it holds out. So yes. So I have a mirror here. And I'm just going to go in and see what it is. I'm intrigued to see how this goes. So, I have mascara. Oh, I should probably bring this in. I have mascara on at the minute. I probably shouldn't have done that, but I was filming other videos today. So I have mascara on. I could take it off, but I'm not going to, so. Gross, 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 gross. Basically, I'm going to go in. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can. So I'm just going to start rolling. Oh my god. So far, I'm loving it. Yeah, the inner corner is hard to do with the wheel, but I'm gonna keep going. Oh my god, I really like this. Okay, so that's my line so far. It's, oh wait, what was that? Hello, could you focus? Hi. Okay, so I have my line. What is this? Ew. Please help me. Okay, so I have my line done. It actually looks really, like, you know, it looks good. So, I'm going to do a wing. I used to be like a wing queen. I don't wear wings anymore. I realized how ugly they used to be on me. So, we're going to attempt a wing. I actually really like this. So, we're going to go in with a wing. I'm going to, oh, Jesus. I'm going to re-dip. And I'm going to attempt a wing. So, should I bring you back in? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, what are you doing? Why does it do this to me? I know why it does it, because I change it. I cannot get over that. What the hell? Okay, I have this eyeliner 2-3 months and I was so scared to try it, but oh my god, she is obsessed. Oh my god, I can't get over that. I'm gonna go do my other eye and come back. I actually can't believe that. Hold on, I'm gonna do my other eye. Okay, so I'm back now. I have both eyes done and I'm actually like, I feel like every time I try something I have such low expectations for it, and then when I use it I'm like, oh my god. Okay, so this is how it looks now. I'm so impressed. It is now 1:44, so it's 1:45, and I'm gonna go make a curry and then I'm gonna come back later on this evening and see how it wears out. To be honest, I'll probably forget, but hopefully not. So yeah, so it's later on now. It's been about 7 and a bit hours. The rest of my makeup looks like crap, but the eyeliner, she stayed on so well, and in the corners did come off a little bit there, which I kind of prefer, and I didn't get that weird gunky stuff that you usually get with eyeliner, so I'm actually so delighted with how this worked. I actually really like how it looks as well. She stayed matte and she didn't go all weird and gunky, so like I'm actually delighted. So yeah, I love. So my end conclusion is that I really love this mascara. It's not mascara. I really love this eyeliner. I think it's a $9.95, so you can get it. It's cheap enough. I know it did come out like last year sometime. I'm very late to this game, but yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and check out my social media and also my vlog channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.